I swear.
I saw Khalil today. And he's walking again.
What? Dad, the doctor said it wasn't possible.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, my God. Well, I gotta find him and talk to him.
No. You need to stay away.
From Khalil? Why?
He's not the same person.
Dad, look, I understand you're mad because of the way he treated me, but...
No. He looks different. He acts different. And I think he's gotten himself involved with people who are looking for kids like you.
Why do you think that?
The medical technology he's gotten, it's not easy to come by.
Does it matter?
Yes, it matters.
Dad, I get what you're saying, but Khalil wouldn't hurt me.
Okay, look, this is not just about Khalil. It's about the decisions he's made and the people he is possibly involved with. Stay away.
Can't wait until Mom figures out how to fix me. So sick of this Powers drama.
Your mother, what?
She's isolating this meta gene so she can stop it. I can finally be me again. Khalil?
Are you trying to isolate Jennifer's meta gene?
I've done some preliminary research to understand what's happening.
So you could suppress the mutation.
She's conflicted about her powers. I don't see any reason not to explore the options.
It's who she is.
Jeff, I'm not the enemy.
You're trying to change her and treating her like she's sick. Okay, so is Anissa sick? Am I?
No, that's not
I mean, how could you do this without talking to me? You know, I think it's really good that we didn't tell the girls that we're getting back together.
You know, I've been waiting about an hour thinking that you come home.